Hi everyone, this is Aisha and this is about your everyday AI companion. Instead of juggling multiple apps for reminders, notes, travel, planning, shopping list, and budgeting, user can manage everything from one intelligent platform powered by AI agent. Today, our daily lives are spread across many different applications. We use one app for calendar, another for reminders, another for notes, weather, travel planning, and shopping lists. This fragment experience waste time and making staying organized more difficult. I want to solve this problem by creating one AI companion that brings all these daily tasks together in a one single intuitive experience. The architecture is based on multi-agent system. A coordinator agent receives the user request and delegates works to specialized agents such as planner agent, reminder agent, travel agent, budget agent, and shopping agent. These agents are designed to communicate with external services through MCP, enabling the future integration with calendar, weather, service, map, and file system. These modular architecture make the system scalable, easy to extend with new capabilities. Let me quickly walk through the current prototype. This is the landing page where user introduced to viewer and its purpose. After authentication, user entered their personal dashboard, which serves as a central hub for the managing daily activities. The interface includes models of reminder, notes, traveling plans, shopping lists, budgeting, and calendar management. The AI chat interface is designed to become the primary way users interact with the platform using natural language. While some backend integrations are still under activity development, this prototype demonstrates the intended user experience, system architecture, and agent that will power the final product. These projects demonstrate the key concept from the AI agent core, a multi-agent architecture using Google ADK, MCP integration for external tool connectivity, secure authentication and protected application architecture, anti-gravity assistant for development of rapid prototyping and implementation. Avure is my vision for a smarter and more unified personal AI companion. While this prototyping is still evolving, it established the foundation of an intelligent frontier capable of simplifying everyday life through collaborative AI agent. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy my project.